What's up, Walker fam? Georgia here, making a video. We are going to be doing a collab with Mydiylife and a few other ladies, and their videos and their links will be in the description. If you're interested in checking out those videos, please do. We are doing my favorite fall recipe, and I've decided to do a 2-ingredient muffin. So we're going to mix this here with half of this. I had to buy the big one because Walmart is out of everything. They're definitely out of the small one. And we're going to do cream cheese frosting and, excuse my dryer, you set the oven to 350 and you're going to let it preheat. So I've done that already, and I'm going to grab the mixer stuff I need and Alright guys, well that is cooking up the rest of the way. I'm going to show you a little trick I learned. So, it smells good. So we're going to I'm going to scoop this out. Ugh, it's a little, like, we're going to put it in a Ziploc bag. I don't know how well this is going to work with this type of frosting, but I might have to get a spoon. Give me 1 second. Alright. It says it's cream cheese, but it doesn't taste like it. I got some on my finger and it tastes like regular old frosting. So let's hope that it's not regular old frosting. Anyways, I'm going to get this in here, maybe. And then I'm going to cut the end, and I'm going to use that to frost these bad boys. Alright. This is not working out as I planned. There's always that one thing. So I'm going to push it to the bottom here. Just to the one corner. I'm going to get a knife and I'm going to cut this, and then hopefully it works. have scissors, but hey, you do with what you have at the moment, right? Alright, so it's done. So when they come out, they're gonna have to sit for a moment. And then, which side? Then they'll come out this, it will come out this side. And we'll just frost it that way. Ta-da! Let's hope that works. Alright. Alright guys, here it is. Not frosted yet. You just take this and, can you see that? Kind of do this. Voila. Maybe a little bit more on the outside because there it is. I'm not perfect, I'm not a baker, I'm a mom. Not saying that I can't do it, but there they are. Looking fancy schmancy. Okay, let's be real, they don't look that fancy. Oh, there they are. Oops. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Like, comment, and subscribe. And go check out our other ladies that are in our collab together. And set your reminders so that you can get our next video. And see you later.